Kia ora, this is Ora Te Wahine, Ora Te Whānau, where we bring the health and well-being of our Māori women into the spotlight through informed kōrero.
Come on, we've got to check out movies.
That's going to be good for the brain and the body. Don't worry about that. Keep going with the fried bread.
So we're breaking myths now today, eh?
Royal jelly as a lubricant.
My hauora is wonderful and I'm in a really beautiful place where I can hold space for other people.
Wow. Today we're talking about cervical cancer. One common myth is that cervical cancer only affects older women, but in reality it can affect women of any age. Today we're talking about breast screening. Early detection through regular screenings is our best defence against breast cancer. Today we're going to focus on hapu mama, the incredible journey our pregnancy and the vital importance of antenatal and postnatal care. Today our focus is on general health. Let's clear up some of those myths that can affect our health. Today we're talking about menopause, a natural phase of life that many women go through yet remain surrounded by misconceptions. Ka ora te wahine, ka ora te whānau. By staying informed, getting regular screenings and making healthy choices, we can protect ourselves and our whānau. Together we can thrive and enjoy vibrant, healthy lives. Mauri ora.